Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. So this is my first lecture on international relation, and in this lecture I will be cover the definition of international relation, the importance and the evolution of international relation as a subject. So here is the today's lecture outline. In this lecture, we will be cover the importance of international relation, the evaluation, why we should study IR, the definition, obviously the scholars of IR, and in last we will discuss the conclusion. So, what is the importance of this particular subject? International relation is an important subject as it helps us understand the complex interconnections and interaction between state, international organizations, and non-state actors in the global system. It provides a comprehensive perspective on the various political, economic, social, and cultural factors that shape the world we live in. Then we have studying the international relation gives deeper understanding of current global issues such as international security, economic globalization, human rights, and environmental protection. It helps in developing critical thinking skill and awareness of different perspective and approaches to international relations, providing a framework for making informed decision and contributing to the resolution of a global challenges. So, international relation as a field is a more important in today's world because there are several factors which make us globalized community and we live in a global village. So, studying international relation is become important as compared to past in this world. So then we have the evolution of IR, how IR subject evolved. International relation as a subject has evolved from its roots in political philosophy. Basically, it is the branch of political science and its roots from political philosophy to an interdisciplinary field incorporating history, economics, law, sociology, and psychology. These mentioned sectors of social sciences are also involved in international relations. Early thinkers like Machiavelli and Hobbes studied power relation between state, while the formation of nation state and colonization brought new questions. And firstly, we have some philosophers like Machiavelli and Hobbes. They studied the relationship between the powerful states like France, UK, Germany, Italy, etc. And the formation of nation state happened and colonization also brought some new questions to this field. Then we have the two worlds war, the First World War and then Second World War, and the formation of United Nations changed the study of international relations, leading to a new theory like realism and liberalism. Okay, after the Second World War, when the United Nations was found, there is a boom to study international relation because international relation become a more important subject at that time because if we study international relations we can solve the disputes which can prevent the conflict and wars, and it can also promote the peace in the world. In recent decades the rise of non-state actors such globalization and changes in power have led to new perspectives like constructivism and global governance. Today the field continues to evolve, reflecting challenging global realities. Okay, then we have why we should study IR. Why we should study IR? I personally believe that we are living in a global village and we should study IR because if we do not know what is happening outside our world, then how can we make our decisions? So, understanding global issues, study international relations provides insight into complex global issues such as international security, economic globalization, human rights, and environmental protection. Okay, global issues mainly concern on the economic globalization, human rights, environmental protection, and also the main important thing is international security and promote the peace. And then we have developing critical thinking skills. It helps us individual develop critical thinking skill and become aware of different perspective and approaches to international relations. And third, we are going to discuss the making informed decisions. Knowledge of international relations provide a framework of making informed decision on global issues. Okay, after studying international relation, we are able to make our decisions according to the international affairs. After BS, MS, or PhD in international relation, the aspirant of I are going to make their careers in diplomatic organizations, foreign policy of different countries, and international law, and many other fields in today's era. Addressing the global issue. And last, international relations help us in finding solution to global challenges by providing a comprehensive understanding of various political, economic, and social culture factors that shape the world. Okay, so we have a definition of international relation. Right. International relation concern the relationship among the world's government, not only the state with state, but also the government with government. But these relations cannot be understood in isolation, obviously, and they are closely connected with other actors such as international organization, multinational cooperation, and individuals, with each and other social structures and process, including economics, culture, and domestic politics, and with a geographical and historical influence, these elements together power the central trend in IR today, which is now called the globalization. Okay, then we have some scholars of international relation. Hans Magentho, one of the founding fathers of discipline, his work focused on the realist approach to the international world. He is considered as a founding father of international relation, and he finds that it is all about political and official relation between the states. He was an American and German jurist and political scientist born in 1904 and died in 1980s. Okay. Then we have another prominent scholar of international relation, Kenneth Waltz. He was an American political scientist and he was also a realist scholar. He is known for his work on international security and structure of international system. He defined IR as it is the study of ordering of states in the international system and effects of that ordering on the behavior of states. He also gave a level of analysis such as individual, state, and international level. Okay, right. We have then conclusion. Okay. Overall, international relation is the study of political, economic, social, and cultural interaction between states, international organization, and non-state actors in global system. So I hope you enjoy the video and you get knowledge of international relation from this lecture. So thank you for watching.